welcome back. Jesse Mick here, and today we have a box. What's in the box? Well, if you read the title, you probably know what's in the box. But in the box is a bag. What's in the bag? Another box. So as you can see, I went to the greatest skate shop in the world, Zumiez. Well, actually, I didn't go there. I did. They were sold out. So I ordered them. And here, we got the Adidas Busenitz Cupsole. I already know I like this shoe because I went to go try it on, but they didn't have my size. So why did I get these shoes? Well, one, I never had Adidas. Two, I like the way they look. Three, my shoes I'm wearing right now, I can fit my finger through. So I was previously skating these Vans. They're a Volt. These are a Cupsole, which are slightly different. I tried them on though, and in the toes there's still a lot of board feel. Well, I haven't ridden the board yet, but it feels like the same. And there's just a little more support in the heel. And I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer to get some detail shots here. Alright, so first impression right out of the box is that they look great, obviously. So like I said, I was skating on Volt. Why did I go with the Cupsole? Well, honestly, I like the way this shoe looks more than the Volt. They're slightly different. This one here has this extra, you can see all the way up to the shoelaces here, covering the whole toe cap. I like that extra protection there. As you can see in my other shoe, that is exactly where I wear a lot of my shoes out. They also have this nice little rubber here, back here for heel flips. I like this extra little back heel support, is real nice. And on the inside, I don't know if you can see it. You can kind of see it there. Some nice extra support for your ankles, which is really nice. Now here, these are instructions to cut this tag off. Tongue, I don't know why you would ever do that. Look at that thing. I really like this little detail here. You can kind of see it. The Busenitz and the little border is like gold, metallic. Looks real nice. Also on the inside in the insole, you can see the little Adidas leaf. Has that same gold. And again there on the side, the Busenitz. Of course went with the gum sole. Alright, well let's go out and skate them and see really how they perform. Alright, before we go skate, we're gonna do the old Superglue Trick here. And I found these sweet little stickers at the bottom of the box. But to the Superglue Trick. Basically, I read regular, so my left shoe here. When I take this super glue, I got this extra fine tipped one, and I'm just gonna run it on top of all these threads, and that'll help give an extra little layer of protection so that these threads won't tear right away. They'll make these shoes last a little bit longer. I'll probably do it to my other shoe a little bit as well. I don't really do switch, but I have a little bit of protection. And there you have it, nothing too crazy. Obviously you can see a little bit there, but I think outside you won't be able to see much. And after doing a couple tricks, you'll wear that down pretty nice. Alright, so there you have a good solid day of skating. My overall consensus of the shoe is super comfortable. I don't know if because my other shoes were old and had holes in them, but the padding and the ankles I was talking about, there's a lot of padding in the tongue, just super snug and tight on your foot. As far as the wear, I'll bring it a little bit closer and get a few close-up shots to see what we got going on. But nothing major for a solid probably 6 hours of skating. Alright, so as far as the wear, the major part is right here on the sole. Doing a few kick flips, you can see that line wore away. But I mean, other than that, it's pretty good. You know, there's a few little scuff marks here and across the side up in here. Not too bad. This extra layer here definitely helped the shoelaces. You can't really see it, but this next one up that's not quite protected, it's a little worn. Not too bad, I'm not worried about it. Overall, pretty well for one solid day. I think they'll last quite a while. I would definitely recommend it. Part of those clips were a new board, so new shoes, new board. It's kind of hard getting used to all that, but I got as many clips as I could, and I think that little skate montage came out pretty well. But again, Adidas Busenitz Cupsole. This is only my second video, so if you enjoyed it, make sure you like and comment. I also started making knives, so that and my other random projects will be coming up as well. If any of that interests you, make sure you subscribe. I'll try to make the uploads more consistent. See you next time.